Hello, everyone. I'm Jennifer Ackerman, and I'm here to tell you about my book, The Genius of Birds, which I'm thrilled to say has just been published by Cossetania Edicions in Catalan. Until quite recently, we assumed that a bird's behavior was driven solely by instinct, and that its brain was so small and primitive, it was capable of only the simplest mental processes. Well, it is not so. In recent years, scientists have discovered that birds are far more intelligent than we ever imagined. So this book explores the new view of birds as these cunning, clever, playful, artistic, deceptive, and socially and technically adept creatures. Now we know birds can think logically. They can reason on par with young children. They can make and use their own sophisticated tools. They can understand basic principles of physics, such as cause and effect. They can pass along cultural traditions, whether those are modes of song or styles of toolmaking. Birds remember the past, they plan for the future, they give gifts, and they communicate in ways that resemble language. So the genius of birds is packed with fascinating scientific information about birds and bird intelligence that I think will appeal to a broad range of readers, to bird lovers, nature enthusiasts, anyone interested in the brain, intelligence, or animal behavior. So I really hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much.